Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping, and we have some some interesting details. No more technicals here, guys. On the Frontier and USD pairing, I'm going to show you the pattern that I've been following, that it has had appears to be an official breakout. So let's go over the interesting details and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's March the 20th, 2021, and the current price of Frontier, FRONTBUSD, I guess you can get this on Binance, is $2.86. It's up approximately 0.9% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the simple pattern that I've been following. That's it, really simple. These are the 12-hour candles. If you kind of look at it from the daily, it's pretty much the same thing, right? It appears to have broken out officially, okay? And the reason that I say appears to have broken out officially, because I think we also had the pattern draw like somewhere down here, and then it actually broke out of the pattern, and then it kind of broke back down. So we have to wait and see how the market behaves if the sellers step back into the market. And the reason that I say that they may actually step back into this market is because of the time. You know, I always look at the time, right? So it took like 2 selling candles right here, 1, 2, and right now it has taken 2 buying interest candles, 1, 2, and then you got 3, 4. So I mean, as long as the trajectory continues to go up, yeah, it's fine, right? Because remember, there's buyers and sellers in the market. It's not just like buyers. That's it, right? I mean, obviously, if you're bullish on this stock, you just want it to go up. I want it to go up for you as well. But you have to give the sellers an opportunity. If they seize an opportunity to push the price to the downside, the only thing they're trying to do is either retest the lows, which is currently at like $2.36, or they're trying to retest the previous level of resistance, which is all the way down here at this line, which is at like $1.76. I'm not saying that's going to happen, guys. Just be open and have a strategy prepared to deploy in the market before you hit that buy button, okay? So let's crank it down to the 12-hour and kind of see. I actually found like something pretty interesting on the 12-hour. It's a really tight range. Like right now, because I think what happened is like a lot of investors, let me pull up the 1 day once more to show you something. So notice this large wick on this, let me see if I can pull up the day here. Notice this large wick right here. Wow. I think this got a lot of investors pretty excited when the market, I actually watched it. It went up like 50% in that day right here, March the 14th, 2021. This is a good sign. I'm not going to say it's a bad sign. It's a good sign, right? Because what happens is they're basically clearing the sell orders overhead. So the path is clear. If the momentum is going to continue up, that's fine. Or if it takes a little bit of time to consolidate sideways, then that's fine. It's just in preparation to consolidate and eventually push the price to the upside. If the momentum will continue, this cryptocurrency is in an overall uptrend. Yeah, it's a new cryptocurrency, so it's in an uptrend. Okay, it's walking up the stairs. It's very beautiful. But this move right here, I mean, like I said, a lot of investors got caught in this, probably buying in on the run up at March 14th. And maybe it'll need a little bit of time to just kind of make those investors a little bit nervous and antsy to sell off their positions in the market, assuming that, that the sellers are in the market and they want to kind of shake things up and make sure that not everyone is going to participate in this move to the upside. So again, if you had to have a strategy and you haven't like deployed all of your capital as the market has gone up, yeah, you should be just fine. Remember, guys, this is just interesting analysis. We don't do like any fundamental data on this channel. Just pure, just looking at lines on the charts. I love it. It's really, really interesting to me. Looking at the story behind price action. So what I wanted to point out for you, wonderful folks, is this small range. Like this is a very interesting place to be in. You see like this little tight range right here on the 12-hour candles. It's going to be in between the numbers of $2.82, and then it's going up to like $2.92. So it's like a 10-cent window, right? It kind of gets people like, oh, okay, what is going on? Like, why is it not moving, right? It gets like the average investor a little bit antsy, so to speak. And I'm bringing this up to your attention because if there is, in fact, a move to the downside, I mean, that wouldn't be a shocker to me because, again, I think a lot of investors were able to maybe get into the market at this move up, and they're trying to like figure out, okay, what's going on, man? I just bought 100K of this cryptocurrency at like $3.50, and I'm down on my investment. Like, should I hold it? What should I do? Should I buy? Should I sell? And the markets are always designed to just kind of put you in a position to make you like a little bit uncomfortable. Again, if you don't have a strategy, I mean, you're scaling into your position, right? So you should be just fine. So essentially what am I saying? The market is in a sideways consolidation within this range. So until we get the official breakout, I look at 12-hour candles. I don't really look at the lower time frames. But until you get an official breakout above $2.92 or break down near the $2.82, it's in, like I said, it's in a tight 10-cent window. Yeah, then you'll actually know whether or not where the market is going to move. So hopefully you have notes of those two price levels, 282, 292. It's just kind of stuck within a small range, guys. It's going to be like really frustrating and like kind of, you're going to get like antsy, right? The average investor is going to be like antsy, like, all right, I'm not sure. What do I do, man? What is going on? So that explains what's going on. It's just in a very tight sideways consolidation from a 12 hours perspective. And we have to wait and see what direction it's going to go in. What direction do I think it's going to go in? I just see that it's in a sideways consolidation. I don't have a direction, actually. I just know that it needs to break out in either direction, up or down. Breakout consists of out of the pattern. It's in a sideways consolidation pattern. When it breaks out, you'll know because it'll break out and above that level we discussed or below that level we discussed. So that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Hopefully this was useful. Protect your portfolio if you're new before you go. We also covered the traditional markets. I'm not sure if you're into stocks. We cover that throughout the week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. I think it's very interesting. So subscribe with us. Hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. Covered everything, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolios. Execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.